Hello friends, welcome to Lahari Lectures. In this video, you can watch notes on spanning tree. A spanning tree is a subset of graph G which has all the vertices covered with minimum possible number of edges. Hence, a spanning tree does not have cycles and it cannot be disconnected. Here there is a connected graph ABC. Below we can see the examples of a spanning tree. Here also we can see the connected graphs 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and below we can see the example of a spanning tree. By this definition, we can draw a conclusion that every connected graph and undirected graph G has at least one spanning tree. A disconnected graph does not have any spanning tree as it cannot be spanned to all its vertices. We found three spanning trees of one complete graph. A complete undirected graph can have maximum n power n minus 2. A number of spanning trees where n is the number of nodes. In the above addressed example, 3 power 3 and 2 equal to 3. Spanning trees are possible. A general properties of spanning tree. A connected graph G can have more than one spanning tree. All possible spanning trees of graph G have the same number of edges and vertices. The spanning tree does not have any cycle, loops. Removing one edge from the spanning tree will make the graph disconnected. That is, the spanning tree is minimally connected. Adding one edge to the spanning tree will create a circuit or loop. That is, the spanning tree is maximally acyclic. Mathematical properties of spanning tree. Spanning tree has n-1 edges, where n is the number of nodes vertices. From a complete graph by removing maximum e-n plus 1 edges, we can construct a spanning tree. A complete graph can have maximum n power n minus 2 number of spanning trees. Thus, we can conclude that spanning trees are a subset of connected graph G and disconnected graph do not have spanning tree. Application of spanning tree. Spanning tree is basically used to find a minimum path to connect all nodes in a graph. Common application of spanning trees are civil network planning, computer network routing protocol, cluster analysis. Let us understand this through a small example. Consider city networks as a huge graph and now plans to deploy telephone lines in such a way that in minimum lines we can connect to all city nodes. This is where the spanning tree comes into the picture. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.